The legendary Motorola Razr is back. 3 reasons why the smartphone will be a hit. Presentation coming soon. Motorola has officially announced that the return of the legendary Razr smartphone will take place on November 13th. On this day, Motorola presents a unique smartphone with a folding screen and an unusual design. There are 3 reasons why the new product will be a hit, even despite the impressive price. 1. Hype on a folding smartphone. When Samsung and Huawei presented their first foldable smartphones at the beginning of the year, there was a lot of criticism. On the internet they said that such smartphones are not needed, they are inconvenient and too expensive. In practice, everything is different. Launched late, the Samsung Fold, which previously had critical issues with the screen, was sold out everywhere. The interest in the original smartphone, which really distinguishes the owner from the crowd, is huge. Motorola Razr also expects similar interest. Moreover, the demand for a smartphone may be higher. According to leaks, the new Razr has a more convenient folding display design for everyday use. 2. Similarity to 2004 Razr V3. Folding Razr will be similar to that same 2004 Razr V3, which conquered the whole world. Obviously, Motorola is betting on this. Attention to the new product is attracted not only by innovative technological solutions, but also by pressing on nostalgic feelings. And it will work. The same original Razr V3 is still massively bought on AliExpress and on ad sites. People have not ceased to like the stylish folding smartphone case. The same, but cooler, will be the new Razr. 3. Convenience. Numerous leaks repeatedly revealed the design of the folding Razr. The smartphone will fold in half vertically, like its predecessor. Due to this, when folded, the smartphone is actually compact and thin, which against the background of bulky and thick folding models of Huawei and Samsung is a big advantage. It is assumed that the Razr will be the most convenient smartphone with a folding display. And if this happens, then it will be on this form in the future that other manufacturers will be guided. For example, Apple, which is rumored to be working on a foldable iPhone. Motorola Razr presentation will be held on November 13th. The price of the new smartphone should be about $1,500.